Hello guys, today in this video I will show how to increase a virtual memory. So I want to increase the performance of my PC. So I increase the virtual memory. So let's start without wasting our time. Firstly, you click on search bar and search a view advanced system settings. So click on it and open the virtual advanced system settings and click on performance box in settings and then further visual effects advanced and data execution precision and click on advanced and virtual memory. So I can change the virtual memory, so click on change and set virtual memory. So I custom check on custom size, enter initialize size and then enter a maximum size and then click OK and then further click OK and OK. So you can restart your PC, so your problem can be solved. I hope my video is very helpful for you, so please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching my video.